Very good evening, children. Welcome back to Akshan Online Classes. So myself, John sir, your biology teacher. Today we will discuss about that sixth class biology. Sixth class biology. So our topic is body movements. What is our topic? Actually, this is the portion is completed. Now we will discuss about the bits. Okay? Is it okay? Now coming to the point. So skeleton of the human body is made up of. Okay. So first question. Skeleton of the human body is made up of bones, cartilage, A. Bones, B. Cartilage, C. Both A and B, that means bones and cartilage, D. None of these. What is the correct answer? So skeleton, okay, skeleton skeleton of the human body is made up of especially. So this is the answer for so bones and cartilage. So answer is the option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. So that means the skeleton of the human body is made up of. So bones is the correct answer and cartilage also correct answer. So that's why option is the C is the correct answer. Bones and cartilage. The skeleton system of the human body is made up of bones and skeleton system. Next, the second question. Fishes swim why? So actually fishes is the aquatic organism. Fishes they can respiratory organ in the gills. Fishes with the help of the fins they can swim in the water. Okay. So question is fishes swim by A. Forming loops alternatively on the two sides of the body. B. Forming loops on a single side. C. Okay. Some somersaulting, and D. Alternative dipping and coming up. So fishes swim by forming loops alternately on the two sides of the body. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Next. So the number of the cervical vertebrae in the man are. Okay. The cervical vertebrae in the man are A 10, B 5, C 7, D 8. So option C is the correct answer. That is the 7. Next. So the organ that protects the main nerve cord is skull means especially you know very well that brain is made up of skull bone and breastbone means chest. This is also not correct. Chest bone also same. So this actually nerve cord is protected by the backbone. This is protected by the backbone. So that's why option B is the correct answer. Once you can see here, does your backbone contain only one bone? What would happen if the backbone is made up of only one long bone? Here, so actually your backbone you can see that is made up of vertebral column or spinal cord. Vertebral column or backbone is composed by the 33 small ring-like vertebrae joined end to end. You can see like that. Okay. So end to end, thus it forms a hollow bone tube. This is okay. Vertebral column or backbone is composed of the 33 small ring like vertebrates joined end to end. Thus it forms a hollow bony tube. The backbone has 5 regions. 5 regions from top to bottom. They are neck, they are chest, they are belly, they are hip, and they are tail. 5 vertebrates of the hip and 4 vertebrates of the tail are fused together. 5 vertebrates of the hip and 4 vertebrae of the tails are fused together. No, our backbone does not contain only one bone. It is made up of several small bones, that is called vertebrae. So if the backbone is made up of only one bone, then we would not be able to bend our back part. So that is made up of so many bones. Is it clear? Yes. Next. Next question. Next question. So muscular foot of the locomotory organ in actually in that muscular foot, this is the characteristic features of that molluscus, especially muscular foot. Muscular foot is present only for the snails. This is the characteristic features of the snail. Muscular foot is present in the snail. Snails belongs to that mollusca phylum. In that mollusca phylum, the characteristic features of that snails in the muscular foot is present. So housefly they can move with that wings. Earthworm is the segment body. Snake also they can. So this is the answer is the D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Okay. So next, which of the following bones protect the brain? Rib cage, cranium, pelvic bone, sternum. Okay. So which of the following bones are protect the brain? So this is the option for cranium is the correct answer. Which of the following bones are protected from the brain? So that is known as the cranium. That is known as the cranium. Next one. Okay. Beside the brains, the skull also protects. The skull also protects. So beside the brain, the skull also protects the lungs, the diaphragm, the body cell, the sense organ. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is the sense organs. The sense organs. Okay. Next, eighth one answer is the So what is the difference between the cartilage and bone? So cartilage, you know very well. Bones is made up of calcium carbonate and calcium phosphate, and cartilage is that much of the strong is not present. So tip of that ears, and tip of that trachea, tip of that especially ribs made up of cartilage. So here see, bone is the rubbery and cartilage is a fin. Wrong answer. And second one is the cartilage is the rubbery and bone is a fin. May be correct. And bone is a more primitive tissue than the cartilage. Wrong answer. Next, bones inside the body and cartilage is the outside. This is also wrong. Correct answer is. Correct answer is. Okay. What is the difference between the cartilage and bone is? Okay. Cartilage is the rubbery and bone is a fin. Bone is a fin. So this is the answer for that eighth question. Next, ninth question. Ninth question. When an arm is stretched. When arm is stretched. So when the arm is stretched, the triceps contract and the biceps is relaxed. And the triceps relax and biceps are contract. Both the triceps and biceps are the contract. Okay. Next, both the triceps and biceps is the relax. So answer is the actually the triceps are contract and biceps is the relax. So this is the answer for that. Okay, ninth question. Next, muscles are made up of. Muscles are made up of. Muscles are made up of A. Silica and B. Polyester thread. C. Calcium and phosphorus. Okay. And the group of the cells are called fibers. So option is the okay. So actually these muscles are made up of group of the cells are called fibers. Group of the cells are called fibers. Next, the functions of a tendon is to okay. So bind bone to bone is that is known as the ligament. Ligament. Here 2 points are very important. One is the ligament. Okay. Ligament. This ligament is helpful to the bones to the bone. And tendon. What it is? Tendon bind to that muscle to the bone or bone to the muscle. That is also keep in our mind. Okay. Ligament is helpful to the connector bind to the bone to one bone to the another bone. And tendon is helpful to the bind to the muscle to the bone or bone to the muscle. Here question is the functions of a tendon is bind bone to bone, link muscle to bone, bind muscle to the ligament, bind the cells in the compact bone closer together. So option is the link muscle to the bone. Option is the B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Next question. Next question is tail part of the vertebral column is made up of. 12th question. The tail part of the vertebral column is made up of tail part of the vertebral columns are made up of. So A is the 5 vertebrates and B is the 3 vertebrates, C is the 2 vertebrates, D is the 7 vertebrates. So the tail part of that vertebral column is made up of 5 vertebrates. What it is? 5 vertebrates. So next 13th question is the 13th question. Insects have. So 13th question. Just a minute. 13th question. A, B, C, D. So insects have 2 pairs of the legs, and B 3 pairs of the legs, and C 1 pair of the legs, and D no pairs of the legs. No pair of the legs. So no pair of legs. So insects, actually the characteristic features of the insects is the 3 pairs of the legs are present. 3 pairs of the legs are present. So that means you are keeping your mind, insect means jointed legs are present. And the largest kingdom is the Arthropoda phylum. What phylum? Arthropoda. Arthropoda. Arthropoda phylum is the largest kingdom. Arthropoda means jointed legs are present. Arthropoda phylum. What is the characteristic feature? That characteristic feature is the jointed legs are present. Jointed legs are present. That is the characteristic features of that Arthropoda phylum. The largest animal kingdom is the Arthropoda phylum. Okay, this is the actually 3 pairs of the legs are present. 3 pairs of the legs are present. Okay, all the insects is the examples of the Arthropoda phylum. Arthropoda phylum, that blood is the white in color, hemoglobin pigment is absent. Okay. Next question. 14th question. Next question is the 14th question. So 14th question is okay. What is the question? Question is okay. The bones joined in the pelvic girdle is okay. The bone joined to the pelvic girdle is A. Humerus, B. Femur, B. C. Patella, D. Tibia. So option is the B is the correct answer. B is the femur. And here also you are keeping your mind. What is the largest bone in our body is the femur or thigh bone. So the largest bone in our body is the femur. Okay. So next, which one of the following is the special structures of the snake's help to crawl? Actually, you know very well, the scales are presented. Cerci, fins, scales, bellies. Okay, which of the following special structures of the snakes help to crawl? So that is nothing but scales are present. Who are present? Scales are present in that generally in the snakes. With the help of the scales, actually they can move to the one place to the another place. Okay. So up to this worksheet 1 is completed. Okay. Worksheet 1 is once again okay. What is the skeleton of the human body is made up of bones and cartilage. Fishes swim by forming loops alternatively on the two sides of the body. The number of the cervical vertebrae in the man is the 7. The organ that protect the main nerve cord is the backbone, and muscular foot is the locomotory organ of the snails. Which of the following bone protect the brain? Cranium. Beside the brains, the skull also protected to the sense organ. Which of the what is the difference between the cartilage and bone? Cartilage is the rubbery and bone is the film. When an arm is stretched, the triceps are contract and the biceps are relaxed. Muscles are made up of group of the cells are called fiber. The functions of the tendon is the link to the muscle to the bone, and a tail part of the vertebral column is made up of 5 vertebrates. Insects have the 3 pairs of the wings, and the bone joined to the pelvic girdle is the femur. Which of the following special structures of the snakes help to the crawl? That is nothing but scales. That is nothing but scales. Okay, this is the worksheet. One is successfully completed. Then we will go to that. Worksheet 2 is the next session. We will discuss about that. Okay. So next session we will discuss about the worksheet 2. Worksheet 2. And here also you are keeping your mind. Okay. Especially if you are studying 6th class. So in our internal organ, especially, where is heart is located, where is the brain is located, where is the kidneys are located, where is that, what is the main important part of the digestive system, what is the main important part of the respiratory system, what is the important part of the circulatory system, what are the important parts of the nervous system, what are the important part of that excretory system. That minimum knowledge is required to everyone. Okay, every part is okay. Brain is located in that, especially in that particular head region. Okay, in that chest cavity, left side generally heart is located. In the either side of the chest cavity, lungs are one phase of the lungs are present. Stomach is present in that abdomen, in that below the diaphragm, that left side stomach is present. So kidneys are present in the abdomen, below the just back of that vertebral column, one pair of that kidneys are present. Okay, kidneys are the main important part of the excretory system. Lungs is the main important part of the respiratory system. Brain is the main important part of that, especially for the nervous system. Heart is the main important part of that, especially circulatory system. Okay, we have the 5 sense organ: eyes, okay, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Okay, you can learn from that biology very each and every organ, what is the function, what it is, how it is made up of, that you can learn. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.